Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today is FOMC interest rate news for the US, and I will be live streaming for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news comes out on YouTube. So definitely make sure you check that out for my latest analysis. But we are bouncing off to 78% on the 4-hour time frame. Now the thing is all the dollar pairs to me look like a 1, 2, 3. I think we're potentially in a wave four. If the news comes out, but prior to the news, it goes up and makes like that double top and then goes down and breaks structure like that, that definitely would turn me bearish because that would probably be the completion of a second three-way pattern, for either a 335 or a 333, like I've been talking about. But it doesn't necessarily have to do that. That's the whole thing. I mean, technically, this could continue the very high time frame uptrend. It could go up, break the high, come down, make higher highs, make higher lows, and just keep on trending up. I would have to see that double top breaker structure to become bearish. Now, if this is a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three, then I would expect to see anywhere between a 38 and maybe a 50% pullback. I wouldn't expect to see anything larger than that for like a wave four. Then if it goes up and makes a wave five, reverses, breaks structure, then I will definitely become bearish. If it just, goes up and then just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then there's no reason to become bearish. We would just continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback we see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.